Starting around the 25th of April 2023, Chiliz generally is exchanging at 13 cents in term of its USD rate, with the value change of 0.2% in especially most recent 1 hour in an unobtrusive manner. CHZ truly has a very all-out market cap of $869,520,102 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $105,110,954, which basically is very critical. This in a real sense makes Chiliz by and large positioning at 57 in the digital money market in a significant way. In the event that you for the most part are a crypto financial backer and considering what by and large is the Chiliz cost expectation end of 2023, what will Chiliz in every practical sense be somewhat worth in 2023, extremely in spite of mainstream thinking? Is Chiliz a truly wise venture or for the most part worth purchasing in 2023 in a very significant manner? Will CHZ cost by and large outperform its unequaled genuinely high in a fundamentally huge manner? These in every practical sense are our Chiliz cost expectations for CHZ's future in a sort of significant manner. Chiliz value estimate April 2023. The truly normal cost of Chiliz could generally go to 13 cents toward the finish of April 2023, really, as opposed to prevalent thinking. CHZ could sort of exchange around a truly most extreme worth of 13 cents with the genuinely least expected cost of 11 cents, which especially is genuinely huge. Chiliz value estimate May 2023. For May 2023, the cost of Chiliz most certainly is really anticipated to arrive at a typical cost of 13 cents, while the coin could exchange between a truly limit of 13 cents and in every practical sense, least of 12 cents. Chiliz value expectation June 2023. Chiliz cost explicitly is supposed to truly reach between 13 cents to 14 cents in June 2023, while the typical cost of CHZ for the June certainly remains around 13 cents. Chiliz value estimate July 2023. In July 2023, the cost of Chiliz sort of is supposed to be at around a sort of least of 13 cents, demonstrating the way that CHZ could generally be exchanging around an especially greatest worth of 13 cents with the genuinely least expected cost of 11 cents in a sort of significant manner. Chiliz cost can really arrive at an essentially limit of 15 cents with the very normal cost of 14 cents in USD in an unpretentious way. Chiliz value estimate August 2023. For August 2023, the cost of Chiliz explicitly is in a real sense anticipated to truly arrive at a truly normal cost of 14 cents, while the coin could exchange between a sort of limit of 15 cents and a very least of 14 cents, which really is very critical. CHZ value estimate September 2023. Concerning September 2023, Chiliz by and large is supposed to basically arrive at a for the most part least value worth of 14 cents, which really is very critical. The CHZ cost could fundamentally arrive at an especially greatest cost of 16 cents with the essentially normal cost around 14 cents. Chiliz value conjecture October 2023. The Chiliz cost for October 2023 may generally arrive at an especially least worth of 14 cents, while the sort of greatest determined cost especially is around 16 cents in an unobtrusive manner. The genuinely normal cost for CHZ essentially is for the most part anticipated to truly reach 15 cents in October 2023. Which generally is genuinely huge. CHZ value gauge November 2023. The Chiliz estimate for November 2023 expects that the CHZ may especially arrive at a genuinely most extreme worth of 17 cents with a truly least cost of around 15 cents. Or so they truly thought. Discussing the exceptionally normal value, CHZ can fundamentally stretch around 15 cents for November. So CHZ could basically be exchanging around a fundamentally greatest worth of 13 cents with the sort of least expected cost of 11 cents. Which basically is very huge. Chiliz value conjecture December 2023. In December 2023, the cost of Chiliz explicitly is supposed to truly be at around an in every practical sense, least of 15 cents, which truly shows that certainly is Chiliz a very wise venture or sort of worth purchasing in 2023 incredibly. Chiliz cost can really arrive at an in every practical sense, limit of 18 cents with the very normal cost of 16 cents in USD, in opposition to prevalent thinking. Chiliz sort of passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Chiliz as cost sort of has shown an essentially decent increment of 4.19% in the truly most recent 24 hours, which is very huge. Chiliz sort of is confronting a sort of difficult time jumping aboard with exceptionally other crypto coins, which certainly is very critical. The CHZ for the most part is down to nearly 8.61% in the very most recent 7 days in a by and large significant manner. The coin especially is as yet showing gambling with outlining portions for sort of past lovely few days. The coin could generally have areas of strength for truly at the same time. We don't explicitly imagine that it would a productive resource in truly present moment, which essentially is genuinely critical. In any case, after contrasting the truly current cost and truly beyond 30 days cost history, it certainly is seen that Chiliz certainly has expanded 0.571% in its worth, which shows that Chiliz generally is confronting a tough time jumping aboard with genuinely other crypto coins in an extremely significant manner. The very normal especially least cost for the month sort of is 12 cents, while certainly greatest exceptionally normal cost by and large was 12 cents, which generally is very huge. This suggests that this coin especially is a reasonable resource and another expansion to essentially your arrangement of coins for in every practical cent. Long haul, certainly further appearance how the coin by and large is as yet showing gambling with outlining portions for pretty beyond couple of days. The coin could have areas of strength for fundamentally at the same time. We don't especially imagine that it would a productive resource and truly transient in a fundamentally significant manner. The 90 days cost change especially is around 16.61%, and the cost basically flowed from an especially least genuinely normal cost of 10 cents to an every practical cent. Most extreme fundamentally normal cost of 11 cents in the sort of beyond 90 days, which certainly is very critical. Chiliz explicitly is somewhere near 8.13%, with the fundamentally greatest sort of typical cost of the coin essentially was around 17 cents, and the exceptionally least essentially normal cost of really was around 60 cents, and lovely beyond 4 months in an essentially significant manner. Chiliz value conjecture 2023 FAQs. What will basically be Chiliz certainly worth in 2023, which especially is very critical. The CHZ cost really is guanched to in a real sense arrive at a sort of greatest degree of 18 cents, with truly least cost of 15 cents toward the finish of 2023, which generally is genuinely critical. Does Chiliz truly have a future, which is genuinely critical? As far as value, Chiliz truly has an extraordinary really potential to arrive at new levels. Lovely as opposed to prevalent thinking for the most part. It is estimate that CHZ will increment in esteem, or so they for the most part thought, as per especially unambiguous specialists and business examiners. Chiliz can in every practical sense hit without a doubt the most exorbitant cost of $5.49 till 2030 in an unpretentious manner. Is Chiliz truly worth purchasing in 2023 in a huge manner? Chiliz's worth for the most part is supposed to explicitly keep on extending, as deficiency will in general energize cost rise. Further appearance how this suggests that this coin truly is a reasonable resource and another expansion to actually your arrangement of coins for long haul. Certainly further appearance how the coin in every practical cent is as yet showing gambling with outlining sections for kind of past not very many days. The coin could in every way that really matters have serious areas of strength for pretty yet. We don't, all things considered, feel that it would a beneficial resource in kind of present moment, which certainly is very critical. If it's not too much trouble. Note, there generally is a gamble to any venture, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. Just basically put resources into what you can explicitly achieve prior to reaching any resolutions and lead the essentially greatest examination conceivable, which is genuinely critical.